Breaking overnight in other news, the Texas Supreme Court is blocking a lower court order that allowed doctors to resume performing abortions up to 6 weeks into pregnancy. The ruling comes as President Biden says he has only begun the effort to protect abortion rights following last week's Supreme Court decision overturning Roe v. Wade. Speaking on Friday with governors who are working to protect abortion access in their states, Mr. Biden warned that the high court could go further and take away other rights, like same-sex marriage and contraception. Christina Ruffini is at the White House with more. Christina, good morning.
Good morning, Dana. Abortion rights activists are now focusing on one of the only levers they have left, and that's the one inside the voting booth. President Biden said yesterday that if Democrats lose Congress in the midterms, women across the country could lose access to abortion.
This is not over. It's not over.
In a virtual meeting, President Biden told 9 Democratic governors of states where abortion is still legal they are shouldering the burden for the nation.
We either elect federal senators and representatives who will codify Roe, or Republicans who will elect the House and Senate who will try to ban abortions nationwide.
This decision must not stand!
The Supreme Court's overturn of almost 5 decades of precedent has left women in several states to navigate a sea of legal uncertainty.
This is a frightening time for women all across our nation. A lot of fear and anxiety out there.
Of the 26 states that already have or are set to ban or severely restrict abortion, judges in 5, including Kentucky, have temporarily allowed abortions to continue while the lawsuits play out.
People were already facing difficulties in accessing care, whether it was paying for the care or transportation.
In Wisconsin, abortion stopped after the state's law reverted to an 1849 ban, something its attorney general is trying to undo. And in Florida, a ban set to take effect yesterday on abortions after 15 weeks was temporarily blocked by a judge who said it violated state privacy protections.
It was not, of course, something, that we were happy to see.
In Arkansas, a trigger law is now in effect, banning all abortions, even in cases of rape or incest, unless they are mandatory to save the life of the mother.
Last year, we had about 3,000 abortions in Arkansas.
Governor Asa Hutchinson said that means states like his that have outlawed the procedure will need to step up.
Others will go out of state, which I think will be a small minority, but there'll be many that will carry that child to term and to keep that child. And so we want to make sure that we have the wraparound services for that mom, both during the pregnancy, but also afterwards.
Now, for the first time, we're hearing President Biden say he would support an exception in the Senate filibuster in order to codify the rights and protections of Roe v. Wade into law. The issue is, Ed, they probably don't have the votes in their own party to make that happen.
That's right. Christina Ruffini on the north lawn of the White House. Thank you.